Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch device comes. So the first thing that's sure our Honor device. In our case that's in the blue color. Yeah, that's deep sea blue color. Here the second thing is the charger brick, the original one, the supercharged, the Honor, with all of the specs here, you can see it. Also we got the USB-C cable, the new one, the white one, and in this paper box we got this the quick start guide and the warranty card, and also we got the silicone protective case, the clear one, and also we got here the SIM jack tool. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.